everyone. The countdown to Aarohan 2025 is on. On January 17th and 18th, join us at Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham's Bengaluru Campus for 2 action-packed days filled with innovation, fun, and learning. From building drones and solving coding challenges to cracking treasure hunts and unleashing your creativity in workshops, there is something for everyone. It is your chance to showcase your skills, explore college life, and unlock endless possibilities. Teachers, please don't miss this incredible opportunity for your students to explore, innovate, and shine. And the best part is that the registration is completely free. Yes, free of cost. Just get your school ID card and loads of enthusiasm. So, if you haven't registered yet, register now. For more event details, visit our website or email us at aarohan@blr.amrita.edu. Aarohan 2025, innovate and elevate. We can't wait to meet you there.